what's up, Enjin coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Enjin coin. What's going on in the Enjin coin? What's the current price? What's the price changes occurring in the Enjin coin? In this video, we are going to discuss. But my friends, before starting this video, please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. And you know what, my friends, this video is going to surprise video for all of you, my friends, because at this time you can see here that the latest changes occurring in the Enjin coin is positive. So after a long-term fast, after 1 month, after 40 days fast, the Enjin coin price change is positive. So I think that's really a good surprise for all of you, my friends. Anyways, you know what, my personal prediction about the Enjin coin is 100% sure, positive. Every time think positive, happens. If you think positive, so everything will become positive. So my prediction is positive, and I believe that after 2-3 days the price start gradually pump, but with the passage of time the price increase has jumped rate, happens. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Enjin coin? And just tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Enjin coin? Good or bad? Tell me your answer in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.